Hi guys, welcome to Reviewer YouTube channel. My name is AK. In this video, I will review with Affiliate Marketing Boss Review 2021. Watch video completely guys, don't skip this video guys. If you want watching on my first time on my channel, hit the like button, smash the subscribe also guys. Let's get started. This is official website of this Affiliate Marketing Boss guys. You are a one and only click away from the 100 of free viral visitor is a little as 60 seconds even if you have a no tech skills or no experience guys. That is a brand new 2021 traffic method guys. Generate free traffic, enjoy free buyer traffic and perfect for newbie with zero skills. Just copy and paste and easy to understand and 100% proven to work and generate sales passively. Are you stick in the try to seeing the PayPal account empty every day? So definitely you will try this method guys. You will everything know about affiliate marketing but still not getting at this side result you wish it for this. I will give the link in the description below guys. You will watch this presentation video also. Now we'll see guys the main part is 100% free organic traffic and 100% beginner friendly and works any niche cloud think of and completely step-by-step training. You don't need any website, no coding or skills design required and brand new method to never been released. Used 100% free buyer traffic that convert like crazy and 30-day money back guarantee also guys. So watch video completely guys, don't skip this video guys. Grab this before the price increase 100% free traffic, so you will never have spent more money in ads. If you can't do this, you can do. So if you have to do this the right way, you will get the result like this guys. Now we'll see the screenshot of this total click and yesterday affiliates and today's seller snapshot, yesterday's seller snapshot also. You will learn this type of technique guys. You will making tons of money. Sure, the recommended for this guys, because do think the wrong way and say this like what you will see before the result guys. Once you will learn this strategy of the tips and tricks the software, after you will learn this, you will be in this type of result of the also. So these three type away from this laptop lifestyle. Only 3 steps to start. Step 1 guys, copy, and step 2 post, and step 3 earn money. So get the best result. Sure, you get the best result possible. We have created the unlimited step-by-step guide guys that will take you by the hand, show you exactly how everything is done even if you are a total beginner. So the best way to start you making money in online, just to start guys. This price cost for 17.75 bucks guys. Very low price guys, but definitely is a really worthwhile product guys. This price actually for 97.99, but this today special for 17.75 guys. So make it tough, hurry up and take action now guys. So why you are been struggling, have that ultimate solution guys. The file is a abbreviation of this guys, first attempt in the learning. So these are the reason of most people struggling in this life guys, and nobody want to help your life for free. So most method don't work for newbie and you have been trying to outdate methods and every system record experience and every system record tech skills and information overload and no reply to your supported question and no support for your family friends and too expensive start. So your dream of freedom and stay away from the painful reality. So these dreams are likely to include guys, so most time to move with family, additional cash in this bank and quitting your full-time and 9 to 5 job and becoming your own boss, vacation with your loved ones, living with the laptop style. And now we'll see guys, now this time of this COVID-19 issue guys, definitely this product will be save in your money and making tons of money. This method will be teaching you guys. So the reason most people, especially beginners like you are, they're still stuck in the because you are a dabbling and not taking things as seriously guys. You are lazy, suffer from the senior observed symptoms and don't believe this reality works and lack energy of drive motivation. So not support from this family. So now this step will be explained guys. Is no need for any technical skill, no being of camera, no setting of funnel, no previous experience, no paid advertising, no huge budget. So it's your turn to enjoy the free viral traffic and sales. Congrats, your search is over. Is affiliate marketing is boss levels of playing the field for the small guy who are just starting out. It's a designed and built for the beginner to get viral visitor. So and can get you effortlessly get viral visitor without any of the following. So you cannot definitely. This is really worthwhile guys. This key is a real online success of getting free buyer leads for why the buyer leads is so powerful. So you can work a lot less and spend your time doing this thing that you want to do. So make money while you sleep. This ultimate rush to the key creating a life of freedom. You will never look for ROE after today because every dollar you make is going to be a bank account. So happiness and fulfillment and freedom at every level, more free time and good night sleep. Why you need to this? First you will get this infinity free traffic account and you will offer the second passive income, provide with you freedom in your life to do things you want to do when you want to do them. Third, imagine you build to give vacation on this getting paid. And fourth, and this part of this, if you are getting this paid while you do things that you wouldn't want to do. Now we'll see guys, this is yesterday result and today result also. The most people try the internet marketing file, but why? Because most people do a lot of wrong things when it comes to getting traffic guys. Not because it's hard, but because they try to wing it. Let's figure out this all of their own, in many cases by looking for the free resources and these methods online that may be outdated of just plain just out don't work. And again, and when people struggle with this traffic, it's not because it's all that hard. So it's because the key to success with internet marketing is based on the paying close attention to these little details guys. So I have turned this method over the years, so this can earn and basically living in my life this way to want to live this. So earn reliable money online, so work whenever you want, work from whenever I want, and spend more time with my family, spend more time with fishing and caves, and spend this time of Gold Coast. And you are no boss, no employee, no stress, and doesn't have the sound of noise. Yeah, this is a Hulwaki over the past 7 years of the digital market. I've tried a lot of different methods guys. This is a vendor of this product guys. Definitely this vendor is really helpful for your life, and you will ask any question, will answer for this answer within 24 hours guys. So truth be the whole, and very few of them actually worked, but they keep the coming back the affiliate marketing list of building, because no matter what's happening in the economy, people need solution to problem and continue to pay that from them. So with this list of the affiliate account, you can get the slice of this whose never ending sales, and it's worked for me. So I am now one of the top earning affiliate marketer on one platform and platinum ranker mentor on another. So I have put in all my experience step-by-step system that allow anyone gets by buyer traffic for free and do what I do without learning crew and expensive trial and error. So introducing this affiliate marketing boss guys. This is one and only free traffic to get a high quality buyer leads. The entire method is explained step by step by a new PDF guys. So inside that you will find step by step training learned how to get traffic from your for free. So that's it for this video guys. I hope each and every step I will explain this video guys, and now we'll see guys. And once you will purchase guys, you will no need any Google ads, no solo ads, no programming, no YouTubing, no hard work, no hustlers, and get over $427 bonuses for free guys. It is one of the crazy and amazing value guys. When you get affiliate marketing boss bonus number 1, copy my cash cigarette cost $172, and bonus number 2 guys, ultimate passive incomes cost $128, and bonus number 3 guys, Facebook Messenger bot. This comes game changing traffic source that is abundant of your 4 oceans and in automated traffic on demand is smarter, and few clicks start sending free traffic directly to your offer. So this is when cute is 200% of more everything you get in infinity. Just some PDF guide is click the button below to right now the log in it action guys. I will give the link in the description below guys. We'll check it out and read this blog also, and test drive for this guide of 30-day free trial also. So don't miss it guys. I hope each and every step I will explain this video guys. It will also provide for the frequent asked questions and 30 days money back guarantees also. I hope each and every step I will explain guys. If you want need any doubt or any clarification, ask me in my comment below, and if you want need any doubt, and I will give my email also, you will send your request also guys. And that's it for this video guys, and thank you for watching guys. Have a nice day.